Hey guys, your favorite customs, and well, um, I'm gonna be playing Minecraft, and what was I gonna do? I'm gonna blow up this. I made like a ring. It's like WWE. I don't know. Well, I got a new screen recording program called ScreenFlow. I got the free version. Just trying it. I don't know. I might buy it. I think I will. But I'm just gonna blow up the ring. Like, I can't show you the ring blown up, but at least this time I have sound. Like here, I'll just show you it before I blow it up. Okay, so there it is. Nice, made with obsidian. I don't know why I'm gonna blow this up, because I feel like it. Got John Cena's locker room, and oh, where was it say? Doesn't say it there. Well, okay, here. It's the secret entrance. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm gonna do this. See, there's the TNT. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my god. I think mine... Oh, my computer can handle it. There's nothing wrong with my computer, it's just like usually when I do it. Oh man. Oh boy. The obsidian has survived. The obsidian survived. Oh wow. Oh gosh. Okay. Wow. I have worked on that thing for like so many days. I mean, like a long time. Yeah, am I gonna? Yeah, I'm gonna get up. How am I gonna get on the obsidian? Okay, here we go. There we go. Well, the obsidian survived. This is my arena. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh my god. Hey, look, there's the redstone. The redstone still survived. Oh god. Okay. Let's turn that off. Man. I think I'm gonna delete this world. Okay. Where's John Cena's locker room? Well, yeah, I updated to 1.9. I mean 1.8. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and delete this world. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this is my TNT craft. I've been exploring it with it. I'll review it more later. But I called it TNT craft because I did a lot of TNT. There's the TNT site. Big TNT site. I'll have a bigger one. Bigger TNT site. Bigger TNT site. Oh, where's the really big one? I had this really big one. You saw the giant TNT explosion. Yes, you did. Yeah, if you hear this fuzzy sound, kind of, it's my computer. It's like kind of warm up. Well, this is just one big TNT. Oh yeah, this was an NPC village. I destroyed their homes. The NPC village. Okay. I made a tiny house inside of the water. Like, it's water here. It's my house inside. You see all the glass. It's my house. So epic. Okay. Bye.